great day, family. This is Marcus Williams coming to you, and just wanted to put together a quick video that hopefully is helpful for any and everyone who's looking to get into this space and participate in any projects that I am currently working on to help grow my income. Okay, so I'm just going to go through it, and this video shouldn't be long, but I want to make sure I cover everything. So just to let you know, one of the projects that I'm currently working on, it's a project that's going by Limitless, bringing blockchain to the sports world, starting with the number one sport in the world being football, but not football as the Americans know it, but football in terms of international being soccer. Now, this isn't a video going into detail about that. However, this is a video that shows you how to at least get set up and started, okay? So if you want or need more information about that, certainly feel free to visit any of my social medias, or definitely my YouTube channel. And I have plenty of videos that talk about that particular project. But let's just get started here. So I don't want to waste any time. So I'm going to use my iPad to really help to navigate this, okay? So let me share my screen. For starters, the very first thing that you want to do, now, of course, one, I would advise that you download an application called TronLink, which is a wallet, okay? And it's going to be this one right here that says TronLink, TRX, and BTT wallet. On a Droid, this may read as TronLink Pro. Next thing that I would recommend that you download for your security is another app called IPVanish, okay? This is a VPN. They have an app, and I'll show you how you can get your VPN as well, all right? What you want to do is visit ipvanish.com, okay? That's where you can go. That's what I use with. So if you scroll through, you'll be able to see the various plans. Now, when you create your account and you get started, please be sure to remember your login information. Now what we're going to do is go to TronLink. So once you have it, you're going to open up the app. And if this is your very first time, you're going to click on Create Wallet. Okay, click I understand. This is the user agreement. You read through it, then I accept it. So here it says create a wallet, okay? You can name it whatever you want. Okay? Then you're going to create a password. So that's my password. And then you're going to simply select create wallet. Okay? But it says here, wallet created. Be sure to back up the mnemonic of your wallet, as it will be the only way to recover your assets under all circumstances. So we're going to select backup now. Okay, it goes on to read the mnemonic of 12 to 24 words is your private key. Please be sure to store your mnemonic safely, as you will lose access to your assets should you lose your mnemonic. Okay, so now please write down the mnemonic on a piece of paper and keep it offline. All right, so this is where I encourage people to make sure that you write down these words that it's about to show us and put it somewhere safe that you can easily find it. All right, so that way, as mentioned here, these words are very important. And I'm spending the time here because if, just like it says, if you ever forget your password for some reason, this is the only way to recover your wallet. If you need to switch devices, maybe you're getting an upgrade on a device, maybe your device got lost or stolen, or maybe it's just broken or damaged. Okay, These words will help you recover your wallet. So now let's move forward. Click back up. And then it says here, view mnemonic. Jotted those down. Okay. And then already backed up. Now it's going to ask you to verify these mnemonics. And then we'll hit complete. It says down, we'll just enter TronLink. This across the top is your wallet address. Okay. That's your wallet address. And in all of the projects that I participate in currently, we use the cryptocurrency USDT. This is not the type of cryptocurrency that sees a lot of fluctuations. In fact, the USDT is tethered to the US dollar. Okay, so it's essentially just dollar for dollar. All right, so 5,000 USDT is essentially equivalent to 5,000 US dollars. All right, and then you have TRX or Tron, which allows you to move the USDT to wherever you need to move it to. Unfortunately, there isn't a way to purchase crypto or USDT. So whoever invited you to take a look at this, if you're participating in projects, there's plenty of ways to get crypto and deposit it into this wallet. Now, how would you deposit it into this wallet? So now you see your wallet address here. You would copy that by selecting this little icon right here. Now it's copied. And then you would send that via text, email, whatever, to whoever may be sending you crypto. Or if you're purchasing crypto from a third party exchange, if you will, it'll ask for your receiving wallet, and that's what you just copied, and that's what you'll paste there. Okay. So now, when you first establish your TronLink wallet, it needs to be activated. Now, with TronLink being a wallet that operates off the Tron network, in order to activate it, you need some Tron, okay, or TRX. So think of this like a vehicle, like a car. You just got the car. Now, before you can leave the lot, you need to make sure you have some gas in it. So again, here, if you copy your wallet address, you can purchase Tron from other third-party sources, okay? Or even the person who introduced you, you can exchange, send them your currency, and then they can send you that much worth of Tron to at least help get it kickstarted. Hopefully that makes sense. And it's the same process. You just copy your wallet address and you send it to that particular third party. You need some additional Tron, because when you're trying to move USDT into these various platforms, or you're trying to send USDT to someone else, if you don't have enough Tron, it's not going to go through. And in fact, it'll tell you insufficient Tron. Or if you have enough USDT, you can simply swap it out, but you still need some Tron, at least a little bit, to make this happen. So one of the ways that I do, I just click on Discover. Okay. And then from here, in the URL, I type in Sun Swap. Just like that. And you see it'll come up here. So then I'll click that. I'm being directed to a third-party page, enter. Sorry, guys. And then we could simply swap here. So what you would do is select this purple arrow, and it'll automatically bring TRX down. And then where it says select the token right here, you'll click that, And then in the search area, you'll just type in what you have. So in this particular case, USDT. Okay. Then you'll select connect to wallet. You will select TronLink. Okay. And then you'll put in how much Tron you need. So let's say one of the projects that I'm working on, you need to have at least 200 to 300 TRX. So if you want to be safe, because you know that amount, instead of trying to convert it, you could come to TRX. To the left, it says enter an amount. And then there, let's say you just type in 300. Okay. And it automatically tells you that to get 300 Tron, that's going to be equivalent to about $41. Okay, of the USDT that you have. Now, as I mentioned, to even make this swap, it says that you need to have at least a little bit of Tron in your wallet. Okay, so as long as you have at least 80 Tron, this swap will work. And then you'll go down, because this is just the dummy wallet or test wallet. I don't have anything here, but here it will just say swap or instant swap. You'll select that. Another screen will appear, and just literally follow the steps. You'll select, it'll either say approve or confirm. It'll prompt you to enter your password. That's the password that we created for TronLink, and then confirm again. And then you'll get a message letting you know that the swap has went through. All right, perfect. Okay, so now, how do you get back to the page where we saw all of your money? An easy way is by just selecting this little house icon, then come here and go to assets, and then you'll see your TRX increased and your USDT decreased if you did the swap. Even when you have some Tron, there's an opportunity where people may not want to. This is what I do. It's just, I'm just all about convenience, me personally, even if it's going to cost me a couple of dollars. But there are some people who would go through the steps of actually renting some Tron. That's not something I do. I'm being very transparent. I'm not very familiar with it. But if that's something you would want to do, you can go here to discover. And then here you'll just type in one place that I'm aware of is just lend. Okay. And you see it says energy rental. You'll select that one. It's going to direct you to a third party. Okay. And then you'll just follow these steps. But again, this is not something that I'm familiar with. But you'll just follow those steps. So now let's get back to the house. Let's go back to assets. Okay. Now, once we're here, the next thing that we're going to do is to get access to the platform that I'm currently promoting, Blockchain Sports. You would now want to go, after you created your account, you've downloaded the IPVanish app because they have one. So you'll just go to the app. I understand. Do you permit? Yes, I approve. Then you'll just click log in, and then you'll log in with your credentials. So when you enter into your IPVanish, it's going to look like this. Okay, so once you log in, you'll be presented with options that look like this. Now, me personally, for my own security and safety, I like to just connect to I generally use like Italy or Spain or Dubai. So let's go Italy. And then you'll just simply hit connect. and now it says connected to VPN, okay? So now I'll just finish up from here. Once you're back in your TronLink, okay, you would just hit discover at the bottom, and then you're going to type in here, I am limitless.io, okay? And if you were already part of Daisy, then this will automatically connect. If not, whoever referred you to Blockchain Sports, just get their link. Okay, so you'll go here, and then I always just hit the blue hyperlink. Okay, and then it tells you about Limitless, and you can see it's already over $16 million in contributions. Okay, and so now if you're looking to contribute, you would just simply hit contribute. Okay, and then it shows you all of the various packs. Okay, and then again, once you're done, you finish up and you're good to go. All right, you just select the pack that you want to get started with, whichever founders pack. This is invalid referral link because again, this is a test or dummy account. Otherwise, it'll show right here to say approve or confirm transaction after you read the disclaimers and disclosures, and then you're done. Okay, and then you can always come back to this little house, go back to assets, and you'll also see your USDT has been decreased. All right. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this was helpful. Hopefully this wasn't too long. I just recorded it. We went over a lot of information, but if you do have any questions, certainly please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to clarify anything that needs clarification. So you already know with that, I'm out. Peace.